Hi, this is a continuation of it, and actually now what I'm doing is the pop-up is being displayed related to that 50 micron item. I'm going to map the materials related to that. So first I'm selecting a material called aluminum T or something. I'm just checking from the checklist here. So where we have already entered into it, and I'm also entering for that particular achieving that item. So I need a coefficient of 16.34, so I am entering it, and once I'm entering it, automatically what happens is that rate what we have, it's been coming out from the master 220 is been calculated automatically. And suppose if you want to change any rate is been increased in the market now after the rate what we are in the master, it's not an issue. So from here itself it's I can enter 250, so it's been updated, it's very easy. And I'm adding another item, so that is a polyester. I need a polyester powder for to fulfill this material. So first item I'll give a meaningful, and third item I'll give a rough thing, so that I want to make it meaningful. So polyester, okay, this is what I expected, so 16. So I'm just giving some coefficient here. And another thing, I'm expecting a material called stainless steel screws. So I'm just trying to select where the screw is, and okay, I found it here, and I need 100 screws for it. So I'm just selecting it, everything comes. And now what the labor I want, so I'm expecting a carpentry with first class, so I'm selecting a first class. How much days I want, I just giving it 2 days. So and actually okay, I just selected it. And now like if you see here, no, so calculation unit is 2, and just entering 2%. And loading as choose source, that's it. So in this what an item, suppose if you need any equipments has to be done, so you can select it if you require. If you not, no need, just save. See, now the data is fitted, and I'm going for a second item. So second item I'm just giving randomly, so we need not waste our time. So so I'm selecting. Okay, so now I'm just giving some quantity 2 2 2 and sorry, just save. And third item, okay, let it have a blank, no problem. So if you want to fulfill, no problem. So I completed these 2 items, so I'm just giving a submit. See. So now you can see for fabrication, so far calculated, it comes the total amount here, and also you can find out the total square feet is 7 square feet, so example, and rate per square feet also you will calculate it, that's it. So after calculating this, site engineer will be giving a request, right? So he may give a request to his supervisor to approve it. So I'm just sending it, mapping to a request. Just select a request. And receipts, he has to select the category called receipts. From there he has to select a purchase order, and from there he has to select for which project he has done. So this project he has selected. And date of request, you can select so the today's date or something, and he can give us number something. And finally is giving it is reviewing. Okay, so you can find out the fabrication data has come populated, and now is in gives submit. Okay, the request got successfully submitted. Now what I'm doing is to making it more engaging, so I'm entering as a admin role. Okay, so admin credentials. Just sign in. So now you can find out here what the request is received from the site engineer. So I'm just going to select the project, and I'm going to select the receipts, and he's going to select the purchase order,